Hey guys, do you want to find out the best alternative of Postman tool for testing API endpoints? Today we are going to see APIDog, one of the best alternative that we can try out for API testing, that is APIDog. So in this video we are going to see how to install and see the features of this APIDog. So let's jump into the video, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So already I'm on screen, and now we are going to search APIDog, and we will try to install it in our Windows system, Windows OS, right? And then we'll try to test one of the API endpoints from using this one. So we have web app and download option also. So let's click on download. We are going to install it. Okay, so after downloading, we'll see how it is going to be installer, right? It's a WinRAR zip. Okay, so I will just save it here, and once it's downloaded, let's see how much time it will take. It's a 174 MB. Okay, so after this we are going to extract the file, and we can see the things, right? Automate end-to-end API test flow. Why it is saying that, if you see here, right, API dog equals to Postman plus Swagger editor plus Swagger UI plus stoplight plus readme plus JMeter plus soap UI plus mock. So whatever you have for testing the UI API endpoints, either it's REST APIs or other APIs, right? So we can test it here directly, right, in APIDog. So it's already downloaded, and let's go over this folder here. Okay, so I will extract this file here itself, and okay, so extract all. Once again I will click extract all, and let's click on extract. So it's just a few minutes, we can wait. Okay, so here we have this file, and we have application dot. If you see here, API doc, and in this folder we have this one. Let's click on this API doc 2.7.44. So guys, and if you want to test the API endpoints and you want to find the best alternative, you can try out this application, and you can try installing for your user itself if you're using your company laptop, and no need of admin privilege. So I can just click on next, and then install. Or else if you are using your own laptop, then you can go for all users, so it will be applicable for all the users you have in your system. So we can wait a little time here till that it's installing. Let's we can find out the real design first API. So one thing is, it's not a paid or sponsored video. It's just going through the tools that are available to find the alternative of some famous tools, right? So we are going to one of them, that is if you want to test the API endpoint, we can try it out. So it's a little taking time while installing. We can wait, and so visually craft your API before coding. You can visually craft, right? You are trying to say that design your API visually using intuitive interfaces, reusable component, and AI support. So I think API design tool also. It's so there will get the API design tool. If you want to design any API endpoints, you can try out this. And API development can validate your API against its spec, right? So run live test directly on your API spec, automatically catching the assistant. Okay, let's check this whether it's okay. So it's installed, right? And we can finish it out, and we can check it now itself. Already made a video on Bruno, which is also a best lightweight alternative of Postman. If you want to try out, you can check out this video. Bruno, use Bruno. It's API testing platform, or we can say tool, software tool. So APIDog is now installed in our system, and we are going to test one of the endpoints here. And let's request res.in. Okay, and we will try it out, test this endpoint. Okay, so here we have, now we are going to hit this endpoint, that is get, I think, and let's wait a little time till that it's loading the screen. Offline spec, lightweight API client, and use offline space. Okay, so we have two options: either you can go and log in like the same Postman, or you can just go offline space. So use offline space as of now. I don't want to go with the online. You can try out once you install. You can just log off, sign off, and then you can log in. Import collection, create a collection, open collection. So I just want to test. Okay, create it. Now we'll hit this endpoint, and let's send. we should get this response. If you see here, we have this much of data here in response, and it's taking a little time. Let's wait. Maybe the application is loading as of now. See, we got the same response here also. So you can try out. I think it's very simple, it's very easy to use. So you can select the environment, and the same as Postman, right? So you can go with this appearance, and you can select whatever you want to color, font size, general, like if you want to just go automatically follow the directs and all. If you want to stop, you can check out from here. Don't send no cache header and all, right? Request timeout, all the SSL certificate if sometime endpoint need. So you can just check out all these things here. Everything is there, right? You shortcuts also there. Certificates, if you want to add certificate, you can go with this one, see certificates. And home, if you go home and if you log in it, then I think proxy servers also there. You can just try out the proxy server, appearance, general, certificate, extensions you can add, external programs and experimental features. You can try out this independent process and test in with independent processes, optimize local service process memory, and these all things are there. So you can try out this and test your application API endpoints easily. So thanks for watching guys this video, and if you have any doubt, if you have any issue, please let me know in comment section. I will try